Hey everyone, it's your man GS002 coming back at you with another review. Today we're going to be taking a look at Bandai's VF-31AX Kairos Plus Bogue Con-Vaart use. This figure was released in July 2022 for 25,000 yen. It includes the tax, so that's about 180 US dollars. I was able to pick this up on Amazon, just regular Amazon, for Prime, and it was like $259 with the Prime. So I jumped on that, and this guy arrived recently, so I'm going to be taking a look at it. We'll look at the box art, then we'll look at the contents of the box, then we'll compare the figure in each of its modes, fighter, Gearwalk, and Batroid, to the original Kairos. I do have that here as well. So that's what we'll do. And yeah, before we get started with that, let's look at the box art really quickly. So it's a very nice shot on the front. Got that side. Yeah, so this is the first figure that I've released from the Macross Live film. Maybe I did that side already. Yeah, so there's a back shot of it. And so here's the back of the box. But yeah, this is the first figure that I've released from the Macross Live movie. I have not watched that yet. I do understand that it's a continuation of Delta and the whole storyline. I have seen all the Delta's episodes, like 25 episodes, and then 2 separate movies. I saw all those. I thought they were okay. Anyway, so yeah, let's go ahead and get the box open, and I'll be right back. Hey guys, so I'm back real quick. So I got the box over here open. Just to back up a little bit, when I received it, it did come in this brown shipper box, which I believe is pretty standard for all the Bandai DX Shogoken Macross releases, at least. Those are the only figures I have. But yeah, so it's got the instructions here. We've got the lower plate with the stand, the adapters for the modes, and then we have the rifle here. And then here in the top tray, they did something similar to what was implemented on earlier Delta figures. So let me, this is a little bit different than the worldwide release. Like I said, this is similar to what was packaged, similar to the packaging on Delta and Frontier figures. So let me go ahead and get this clamshell open, and I'll be right back. Hey guys, so we're back. So I lifted off the clamshell here, and there's this plastic kind of paperish thing covering the Valk. And then there's the box down here, and under the box, it looks like we have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pairs of fixed pose hands. And then we have the 2 combat knives, and we have the pilot figure, Bogue Con-Vaart himself. All right, so let me go ahead and get this out and get it into the area where I can compare it in fighter mode, and we'll be right back. Hey guys, so we're back. So here's the figure in our special area. I have it took a minute for me to get the rifle on the bottom. The way that this the mechanics work on this version is a little bit different from the regular Kairos, but you can see the rifle is down there, excuse me. And we have the canopy here. I didn't put the pilot in. Let me see if I can snap that up. Well, I'll do that later. But you know, I mean, the lines are nice. This green is very similar to Arid's green for his Valk, so I might bring his out and see how it compares. And then here's the Kairos for comparison. Now, as far as weight, the Kairos definitely feels like it's a little bit heavier. And I have the Nightmare Plus weapons on this guy. Now the Kairos Plus does have 2 hard points on each wing, inner and outer, for you to attach weapons. So that's something else I might do later, just to make sure that the pegs haven't changed design and that they're still compatible, but I don't really see that being an issue. So that reminds me, there's these panels that fold out. And yeah, so it looks like there's rockets in there. Let's see what it is in the Kairos. It's been a minute since I've looked in here. So yeah, rockets as well. I think the other Valkyries from Delta had some type of chaff or something that came out. Or maybe it was used like during show effects or something. It was like some little triangle looking things. Anyway, so there's both of them, you know, together. They both look pretty good. Let me get both of these guys transformed to gearwalk mode, and I'll be right back. Hey guys, so we're back. I got both figures in gearwalk mode. That definitely took a minute. It's been a while since I've transformed the Kairos and the Kairos Plus. So yeah. One thing I noticed is that there are quite a few design changes from the original Kairos. Like you notice this piece right here, this flap, this is not present on the Kairos. Also, the backpack is a lot different. The rifle is a lot different. So overall, I don't know. I mean, I haven't gotten a Batroid yet. But, you know, weight-wise, both of them are about the same. The Kairos is, the weight feels like it's a little bit more central. The mass feels like it's a little bit more central. Whereas on the Kairos Plus, it's kind of, it feels kind of spread out. Again, I don't have a scale, and it's something you just got to feel in the hand. But yeah, it's okay. Let's go around to the back. So here we've got all of these mechanisms, have all those panels folded up. Back of the legs there. And then here we go, of course, on the old school Kairos. I would say overall, you know, if you're asking me my honest opinion, which one do I like more? I think I kind of like the original Kairos more, just because the paint scheme, it's got that more militaristic prototype look. Just the design enhancements. I don't even really know the quote unquote enhancements. I don't know that you can really say that the VF-31AX, the Kairos Plus, is absolutely better, hands down better. Anyway, that's just my opinion. So let me get to Batroid, and I'll be right back. Hey guys, okay, so here we are. Finally got it in Batroid mode. That took a while. I think it looks good. You know, let me go ahead and turn the light on here so we can see a little bit better. See those details. And of course, we have the Kairos here in Batroid mode. You know, I'm a little bit disappointed. Overall, I was thinking that this figure would be an upgrade from the previous Delta Valks, but I don't know, based on my experiences with transforming this thing, I don't think it's as good as the Kairos, the original Kairos. Just little nuances, and that's just my opinion. And again, went ahead and got Arid here, so we can kind of really compare those colors. And as you can see, what's on Bogue Con-Vaart's is way more green. Arid's is more of like a blue green. Now let's go ahead and zoom on out so you can see all three of those guys. So yeah, guys, yeah, like I said, final thoughts. You know, I wouldn't go rushing out to trade all of these Valks for this one. That's just my personal opinion. But it's a cool figure, you know. So any new 1/60th scale Macross figures from Bandai are certainly welcome. This one just didn't knock my socks off. Anyway, video ran a little long, so apologies for that. But if you stuck to the end, I really appreciate it. And feel free to leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. If you like the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. So thanks, guys. Take care. Bye.